Hi guys, welcome back. This is James once again. I am here to take you through one of the tools that we have on the iSenseHUB platform that is actually a go-to place for most of our users. These tools help people to transform their productivity with iSenseHUB because this is an all-in-one platform. It helps them save cost, save time because they don't have to sign up with multiple platforms to do the same things because iSenseHUB has it all at one place under one umbrella and a great user interface. So let's quickly jump into the tool that we're going to be looking at today, which is the AI plagiarism checker. Okay, this tool is great for academicians, students, even content writers, businesses like blog post writers and things like that. You don't want to write content and happen to find out that, okay, the content you wrote or you copied from somewhere, well, it has legal implications and things like that. So the AI plagiarism checker is an important tool. It helps you stay in your lane and not veer into somebody's lane and then probably get legal issues later. So let's look at how the AI plagiarism checker works. It is a simple tool. All you have to do is to copy your content and paste it here. Right now, we have limited it to 5,000 words at a time so that we don't open it up and for abuse and things like that. So we have limited the capability or the number of words that you can scan at the time is 5,000. So let's quickly look for some free content somewhere and then check it out and see how that looks. I'm actually just going to go to Google and then check something. I don't have any content to look, so let's say ebook. Just say free ebook. Probably I'll just go to this website and see what they have there. I hope they get something that I can just copy and yeah. Okay, so I think this is okay. I'm gonna copy this content. I have nothing to do with this website. I just need content to try on my platform. So if you do anything there, that is at your own discretion, not mine. So we copy the content over here and we want to check for plagiarism. We just want to try our tool and see how easy it is. Give it a minute because it's going to take some time. It's going scanning all content online to see where this content came from or if it actually was copied from someone's platform. It will tell us. So let's just look at it. It's actually scanning right now. Let's give it a minute. All right, so the check is completed. It hasn't found anything, so it means this document was not plagiarized from any academic platform or it's not content somebody has already claimed ownership for. So this is a good content, right? Because it checked and the match is zero. So it means this is unique, this is generic content and it is not plagiarized. So here you have it. If you have content or you're writing your thesis at school or you're doing your assignments and you want to check it out because your professors are going to put it in Turnitin or some other plagiarism checking platform. So once you have iSenseHUB, you have access to it, right? So check it out over here before you submit your work. All right, thank you very much. The next video is going to be on the AI detector. So let's quickly jump into that. Catch you.